team, welcome back. I hope you missed me as much as I missed making these videos. We are finally on to our next set of programming. I've decided to take on CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, which is CS50W. It is another one you can get a free certificate in, or if you want the paid certificate, you can do that as well. This one, I just finished the daunting 2-hour-long video for week 0. This is actually a 9-week course counting week 0. And it might end up being a little bit slower because it seems like submissions and things like that are going to be a little bit more difficult. That being said, I am operating out of VS Code and I am going to be using the get push functions. So I expect some of you to have some issues with those. If you do, I'll do my best in the comments to answer those or in the Discord, because right now I want to focus on how to complete the objectives. That being said, also, I did upload week 0 and it seems like it takes a long time to get graded. However, I'm confident that what I uploaded is actually what they're looking for, so I'm not too worried about that. So with all of those expectations being set, this video is just kind of a launch video. You're gonna need VS Code. You have to have a GitHub account. You can use Submit 50, but since I'm not using it, I'll do my best to be helpful and I'll try and use that function on one of them. There are some screen recordings that are required, so you'll be expected to upload an unlisted video to YouTube, marking chapters in the first week. I don't know how much that carries forward. I'm just doing this week by week. Also, I may have a little less limited time, not because the length of time to grade, but just because I've started a new job and things like that that are going on with me. So be patient with me in getting this 9-week course done. I've already cranked out week 0 and expect to get a video up here hopefully as soon as tomorrow. I'm happy to be back with you guys. Thanks so much for being patient. Thanks for all your support on CS50X. I'm looking forward to these next 9 weeks working with you and getting to meet all of you and answering all the questions that you might have and helping you pass programming with Python and JavaScript. So for now, this is your intro video to This is CS50W. We're going to get working on week 0 soon. I'm Devin, and as always, you are awesome. Looking forward to getting back to work.